Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to optimize graphic settings in Warframe on Android or mobile. So let's dive in. Now, first thing you want to do is open the in-game menu and head over to options. To do this, simply tap on the three-line icon at the upper left of the screen. Then tap options. From here, you want to go into the display or graphics section. So all you need to do is look for this video tab. Now under this, you'll see two sections, display and uh, graphics. So just scroll down a bit. There we go. Now, this is where all the performance related settings are actually located. If your game is lagging or stuttering, you want to start by lowering the overall graphics presets or manually reducing effects and dynamic lighting. These are some of the biggest performance hitters on mobile, so turning down shadow quality alone can give you noticeable FPS boosts. Next, you also want to adjust your resolution or render scale. Lowering the render resolution slightly can dramatically improve your performance while still keeping the game looking sharp on a smaller phone. Now, you'll also want to disable extra visual effects like motion blur or film grain if they're available. They look nice, but they're not necessary for gameplay and can cost you performance. Finally, you want to test your settings in the mission. So don't just change everything at once. Tweak one or two options, jump into a mission, and see how it actually feels. The goal is smooth and consistent performance, not just max graphics. Now, once you find that balance between visuals and stability, you'll notice combat feels way more responsive and enjoyable on mobile. And basically, that's about it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!